Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to make some whirligigs and diving beetles in a pond today. So the first thing you're going to need is a pond. I used a paper plate, but if you don't have a paper plate, you could use paper or cardboard or a grocery bag. You could use recycled materials, whatever you want to do to make your pond. And you could just cut a circle out of paper, whatever you want. And then I colored it bluish green, because if you ever see a real pond, you'll notice that the color of the pond is kind of a bluish greenish color. Then to make my whirligigs, my favorite bug in the pond, I just colored them. I drew them. I made circles or ovals for the body, a little circle for the head, and then for the legs and the antennas, all I needed to do was draw straight lines. Super easy, just like making a number 1. So I made 2 antennas on the top of the head and 1, 2, 3, 4 legs on the body. And I made 1, 2, 3, 4 whirligigs for my pond because I love them. And the cool thing is, if I don't tape them down or glue them or staple them, I can get them to kind of twirl around like they do on a real pond with my finger. I can kind of make them whirl and twirl. Isn't that cool? So that's kind of something fun you could do. Another thing you might want to try today is making a diving beetle. I used a toilet paper roll, but if you don't have a toilet paper roll, that's totally fine. You could roll up some paper and color it brown, or you could use cardboard or a paper bag, or just draw it on a piece of paper, whatever you want to do. And then I cut out strips of paper and I made legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And then I made a face on the top of my toilet paper roll with 2 antennas, and I taped it all together. That's all I did was tape it, but you could glue it or do it however you want. And I had my very own diving beetle that can dive all the way down into the pond and eat those tadpoles and other plants. So that is our art for today. You can make anything you want. If you want to try and make water spiders, if you want to try and make dragonflies, you can make anything you want for your pond. If you want to add plants like cattails and lily pads to your pond, you could do that. You could do whatever you want. Sky's the limit, guys. Use your imaginations and have fun. Okie doke. Thanks for watching. Bye.